is more than just an educational trend. It's a mindset that deserves attention, development, and practice. This year, we've embraced that challenge by extending our STEM projects to expand the entire academic year, giving our students the time and space for deeper thinking and more comprehensive skill development. Additionally, we've aligned our topics to reflect the true heart of LIS community, God. Our theme for this year is inspired by God's design. Over the past 2 months, we've joyfully explored God's creation with our students, witnessing the awe in their eyes with each new discovery. We've studied how habitats are intricately designed to meet specific needs, how animals protect themselves, and how our body systems work. We've looked at the strength, motion, and unique features God has built into some of his most fascinating creatures. Together, we've learned to see God's creation through the eyes of a scientist, marveling at the beauty and intelligence of our Creator.
Today, for our STEM Day, we've invited parents to come join us in this learning journey. In preschool, parents are helping students construct their very own birdhouses and bug hotels, which we'll observe throughout the year to see how God's creatures interact with them. At an elementary level, our students have reached the prototyping phase of their projects. They'll work closely with their parents in collaborative meetings guided by thoughtful questions to help flesh out their ideas even further. Following this, we'll spend the year using the STEM design process to bring these ideas to life.
The energy on campus has already been infused with awe this year, and it's only just the beginning. We can't wait to see how far we can go when we are inspired by God's design.